is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce on your feet. T is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog who loves to call. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, so fun you'll see. G to Z, we'll learn and play. Let's sing our letters every day. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish who swims away. G is for goat, jumping high. Or H is for hat you wear up high. I is for igloo, cold and wake up. J is for jelly, wiggly, bright. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion with a big roar cry. O, A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, so fun you'll see. G to Z, we'll learn and play. Let's sing our letters every day. M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, tucked in tight. O is for owl who says who. P is for penguin waddling too. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rabbit hopping around. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for train going left and right. O, U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van driving in a lane. W is for whale splashing fun. X is for xylophone, tap tap done. O, Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes of brown. Now we know our A to Z. Sing it again and dance with me.